Hello guys! Welcome back sa akin channel. For today's video ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tugtugin ang kantang Take Me Home Country Roads by John Denver. Pero bago tayo magsimula, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please subscribe at paklik mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated kapag meron akong bagong upload. Simulan na natin. So ngayon ay maglalagay tayo ng kapo. Ilalagay natin siya sa 2nd fret. So ang mga chords natin para sa verse 1 ay G. Next ay E minor. Next ay D. Next ay C. And last ay G. So ipa-play natin siya ng 2 times. At yung kanyang strumming pattern ay down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, up, down. So ngayon play natin yung verse 1. 1, 2, 3, go. Almost 7, West Virginia. Life is older, older than the trees. The mountain growing like a reed. So after ng verse 1 ay punta na tayo sa kanyang chorus. So ang mga chords natin dito ay G, D, E minor, C, G, D, C, at G. So same pa rin yung kanyang strumming. So ngayon play na natin yung chorus. 1, 2, 3, go. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country road. So after ng chorus ay punta na tayo sa kanyang verse 2. So yung chords dito ay same lang sa verse 1. So gayaan nyo na lang yung chords at yung kanyang strumming, okay? So ngayon play na natin. 1, 2, 3, go. All my memories gather around her, miner's lady. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Teardrops in my eyes. Chorus. Country road, take me home to the place belong, West Virginia. Country road. So after that ay punta na tayo sa kanyang bridge. So yung mga chords natin dito ay E minor, D, G, C, G, D, E minor, F, or kung hindi kaya yung alternative natin yung ganito. Next ay C, G, D, and last ay D7. So ang strumming pattern natin dito ay down, 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 up, down. So ganito siya. Down, 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 up, down. Kuha ba? So ngayon play na natin yung bridge. 1, 2, 3, go. I hear her voice in the morning hour. She calls me. The radio reminds me my home far away. Driving down the road. country road, to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, take me home to the place West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road. So ganun lang tugtugin ang kantang Take Me Home, Country Roads. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo, please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood and enjoy!